came across these women's cushion flip-flops. They really caught my eye, obviously, for the rhinestone design. Really, really like that a lot. And the promise of the yoga mat cushioning. But right out of the package, they look stylish and ready for like errands and outings. But let's see if the comfort matches the stylishness. What I like after wearing these a bit, the cushioning. They have the EVA yoga mat footbed, which is soft and provides a bouncy cushion feel, perfect for long lake and summer days. But also like the arch support, surprisingly supportive for a flip-flop. They did not really flatten out, and I'm confident that these are going to last all season long, giving me just the right amount of gentle lift in the arch. The versatility is the final thing I really liked. The dressy, yet enough to wear with a casual dress, functional for everyday use, and I like them. Would I buy again? Absolutely. These sandals are a solid pick. Really, they're comfortable, affordable, and they have a little flair. Once again, love the rhinestones. But one thing, I am a size 9, and I did size up to a 10, but other than that, they were perfect, a blend of style and comfort without a huge commitment with the full orthotic in a sandal. But these are a fabulous find. Highly recommend.